Alright, so the chopper has been stropped. Let's see if I can, there we go. There is no secondary bevel. This is all one primary bevel called a Hamaguri. Can I get that? Nah. Anyway, it's clamshell shaped. So it's convex. It's convex from the spine to the edge. I shall show you. Let's do millimeters because it's way easier. Hold on. Hold on. .85 millimeters at the spine. It's hard to get right behind the edge because there is no V. .70. That's one continuous drop. Cutting air for a second. This is going to be a bitch to clean up, but it's so fun. When you get an edge like this, it's just wonderful. It's going to make one hell of a chopper right here. But you could cut sushi with it too.